Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at geometric figures. And we'll start with a point. What's a point? A point is a location in space. Any location in space. Now, this is a point right here, a location in space, and we say point B. And this is how we write it, just the letter B. Moving on, we have a line. You can draw a line through any 2 points. Here we have point C and point D. A line goes on without end in both directions. That's why we have an arrow at each end. So we read it as line CD or line DC, and this is how it's denoted. If you want to write it, you write it this way, line CD or line DC. The arrangement doesn't matter. Line DC. Okay, so that's how we write it, and that's how we read it, line CD or line DC. Moving on, we have what we call a line segment. A line segment is part of a line, but this time around it has 2 end points. So this is line segment QR, having 2 end points. It doesn't go on without end in both directions. That's why there is no arrow this time around, but 2 points at the end of this line segment. We read this line segment as line segment QR or RQ, and we write it the same way as a line, just without arrows. Okay, this is line QR, or you can call it line RQ with the line segment at the top of it. Line segment, a line without arrows. All right, moving on. We have what we call parallel lines. Parallel lines. Lines that are always the same distance apart are called parallel lines. So this is line ZY or line YZ, and this is line KL or line LK. It goes on at both ends without an end. Okay, it goes on in both directions without an end. This is the distance apart, and it's always the same when you calculate it at any point of the line, the same distance apart. We read it this way, that line ZY is parallel to line KL, and this is how we write it. Line ZY, now we denote it as a line with 2 arrows at the end, is parallel. This is the symbol, parallel to line KL. So we put the line symbol at the top of it. Line ZY is parallel to line KL. Next, we have intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. These are 2 lines that cross each other at any point. So here we have line GH crossing line EF at point J. So intersecting lines are 2 lines that cross each other at any point. Moving on, we have what we call perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are sort of intersecting lines, but they have one extra feature. This is line PQ crossing line TV at a right angle. Okay, PQ crosses TV at a right angle, and this symbol right here is used to show a right angle. Okay, this symbol right here touching the 2 lines is used to show a right angle, and we read it this way. The line PQ is perpendicular to line TV, and this is how we write it. Line PQ is perpendicular. This shows perpendicular, a right angle right here, to line TV. Oh, I forgot to put a symbol on top. Remember the symbol of a line? Yes, that's it. Line PQ is perpendicular to line TV. V. And these are the definitions of the basic geometric figures we have. Thanks for watching.